What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and um, I don't even know. I give up. I don't even know what to do.
So nobody's been catching nothing?
But that one catfish I just finished catching. One damn catfish.
Yeah, that ain't the one. Trust me, guys. I'm the least of your concerns today.
We're fine.
I know. I'm just trying to. I just keep.
Come out here like that.
Yeah, it's very rare. And what I do is I try to go around the state. I go around the state of Florida doing this. I've been to South Beach, Miami like this. I've been to all the way up north towards Tallahassee like this. And it's your right as well while you're engaged in fishing, hunting, or camping. And that's the one thing about the law is that while you're engaged in these activities, carrying a rifle may not be for you. I'm not saying carry a rifle. What I am saying, it is your legal right to carry any firearm you choose while you're out here engaged. If you can lawfully possess a firearm, you can come out here carrying a handgun, you can carry a rifle, whatever you want.
Palm Bay Police Department, how may I help you?
Yes, I have a question. I'm down here at Castaway, and one of these gun advocate guys over here on the deck, on the pier, with a assault rifle and flag, and it looked like he got a Glock on the side, so I don't know if it's legal, but someone should check it out, because, you know, I'm not comfortable around him.
You said he's where?
He's over here on the pier, Castaway.
Castaway Pier?
Yeah, down here.
Castaway...
Park. Right here, US 1.
Yep.
Palm Bay Road.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get a good...
Okay, yeah, because I'm uncomfortable around this guy.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just going to get some information in there for you, okay? You said he's down at the pier. He's all the way at the end?
Yeah, as soon as you pull in. It's only about so big. It's about a horseshoe.
Do you know
that? There's only one pier.
Do you know this person?
No, I don't know him. That's why I called for help.
Okay, man. You said...
Just get someone down and check it out.
Okay.
That's it, man. That's it.
All right.
All right, later.
Sir, I got to get some information. Oh, my God.
Hello.
Hey, sir. This is the Palm Bay Police Department. I just got to get some more information on the guy that's sitting on the pier.
Well, listen. I'm a citizen, and I don't know him, and he's on the pier right now. I'm going to leave the pier because you want to keep asking questions. All I ask you is...
No, I gotta ask you a couple questions, sir. Okay, just kind of bear with me, all right? So he's just sitting on the pier.
Fishing with his weapons.
Sitting on the pier with his weapons. Is he threatening you in any way?
Yeah. No, man. No.
Okay. He's not.
I asked you a simple question. Is it lawful? Is it legal? Can you check it out? Look into it. But I don't give no information. Nothing. I'm down here at the park.
Okay. Can I get a description on him? What is he wearing? I just got to get some information just for the officers, okay?
Listen, your job is to protect and serve, man. Just forget about it, man. You know,
exactly. In order for me to protect and serve, I have to get more information on that, okay? So let me get some information on what. Okay. So can I just get some information on what he's wearing so the officers know who to look for, okay?
The place ain't but so big, man. You know.
Can you give me?
Can you
tell me what he's wearing?
He got a big flag. All right. I'll tell you. He got a big flag. He's on the pier, on the fishing.
He has a big flag. What flag?
All right. Is that good enough? Yes. A big flag. The
what flag?
And you yellow on it. Yeah. Nice big flag with yellow on it.
Can you give me some information on what he's wearing?
He got on all black, man.
He has on all black?
Yeah. That's it, man. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, later.